Okay, in this video what I'm going to do is show you how to extract the zip folder that I sent you with all your Revit components. So what you're going to need to do is in the Google Classroom you're going to go and click on the Revit family zip and you're going to click on it, download it. It should open up a little thing right down here. You could click on it, put open in folder, or just find the folder where it's saved. Once you're within the folder that the Revit family zip file downloaded to, you're going to right click on it. You're going to put extract all, and then you're going to select a place to extract these files to. So hit browse. You're going to want to go up to your computer, and I'm going to go over here. You want to do it in your H drive. So select your H drive, probably select your CEA folder. I have a Revit families, and then that's where I put all mine. You hit select folder. And when you do it, it's going to extract them there. Right? I'm not actually going to go through and do it because I've actually done this. So then, once you have it extracted, and you go to Architecture Component, what you can do then is when you do Load Family, if you take that folder, the Revit Families folder that you just created when you extracted it, all right, not the zip folder, the folder that you extracted to. So here is mine. You could drag and drop it over here on the left. And so the nice thing is when you do that, hit yes to save this. Anytime I go into here, see how it's going to have all of these different files in here of all the different things I gave you. And so there's tons and tons and tons of different things, elevators, bathroom components and stuff. So you want to make sure that you extract them. And then if you make your shortcut over here, it just makes your life easier than having to go and sort through your folders all the time. You can just, bam, click on the Revit families and go. Godspeed, little doodle.